Hey there everyone, this is Nick as founder and CEO at Hitgoc. So in previous video we saw how to work with split method, right? It's a kind of important method, right? So make sure to just practice it down. Okay, so coming up next, a different method called splice, right? It is an important method though, right? So all the methods that I've uh, you know uh, introducing you guys with are really important in building complex web applications, right? For the calculative and functionality portion, so make sure to just pay attention over here, right? So what does the splice method do is basically it removes and adds up and replaces elements of an array, right? So let me just show you an example. Let's say we have array of numbers, right? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 36, let it be 36, and 8 5, something like this, right? Hit save. So we got an array of size 5, right? Now let's say we want to remove this 36 from this array, right? So for that, what we're gonna do is write array.splice brackets, right? So okay, just have a look towards the syntax of the splice, right? So it says start number, which is number. It's gonna be the starting index of the element of the array, right? And second would be delete count, like how many numbers would you want to delete after this index, right? Let's say if the index is 2 and the delete count is 2, then after the 2th index, two elements would be deleted or removed, right? This is the second argument, and third argument would be again a number, an array basically, right? uh, Array would be, if you're giving an array a third argument, right? So all the uh, elements inside that array would be replaced by the numbers that are deleted, right, after this index. So it works something like this. It's kind of complex, but you'll get used to it, right? So let's just remove this number. So this number is at second index, right? So we'll write second, 0, 0th, 1 and 2, right? And I want to delete one number, right? So one element. So second index, one element is 36, right? So let's just console.log array, hit save, open live server. It's kind of important, right? So yeah, make sure to just practice it down. Okay, we got it. So we got 1 2 8 and 5, right? So as you can see that 36 is removed from this array, right? So this is to remove, right? Now let's check how we can add another number to this array, right? Let's say I want few numbers like let's say 9 and 10, right, at the place after okay, in here the output becomes 1 comma 2 comma 8 comma 5, right? So yeah, like this. So what we're gonna do is, if we want to add basically the numbers, let's add them after 8, right? Let's add 9 and 10 after 8, right? For that, um this is gonna be for add, right? Add more elements to the array, right? Move elements from the array, right? So for that, let's reach out to the index after which we want to add. It's 8, right? So 8 is the second index, comma. So the delete count would be 0 because we don't want to delete anything, After the third argument would be an array, right? So we want 9 and 10 over here. That's it. That's all we want. Hit save and let's just check the output. Oops, it's not working. Why isn't it working? Uh, what was the syntax exactly? Gonna be number. Delete count. Number undefined. Come on. An array containing the elements that were deleted. Okay, the zero base location in this array from which to start removing elements. Delete count runs an array containing the elements that were deleted. Okay, so this is not working, right? It says array of 2. You know, guys, as you can see that it is adding some elements over here, 9 and 10. Maybe I should remove. What if I remove the array portion from here? Okay, guys, we got it. So yeah, this is something it. Maybe we should not, you know, write it in square brackets, but just keep it like this. We can add more elements over here, right? Well, by giving commas after the third argument, right? After the second argument, basically. Yeah, this is the first argument, this is second, and rest belongs to the third argument, right? So yeah, we got it. We have added, we have updated the array. We have added few elements over here. Cool. So this is how we can add more elements to the array. Now the output has become, let's just copy this. It has become like this, right? Now the third functionality we can do with uh, splice method is we can replace the elements inside an array, inside the array, right? So let's say we want 10 and 20 to be replaced with 15 and 3. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is let's check the index, right? We want 10 and 20 to be replaced, right? So it's gonna be 0, 1, 2, and 3, right? 3, third index, 0, 1, 2, and 3, third index, two elements after third index, it's 1 and 2, right? We want to delete them basically. So now we have basically removed the elements 10 and 20 from the array, right? So they are basically removed. Now we can replace them. Let's just add, rather than writing 0, this replace and adding functions are quite the same, right? It's just rather than writing 0 in this replace functionality, write how many elements you want to replace, right? We want two elements after third index, not after third, but including third index and the index after it, right? So it becomes 2, right? We want to add elements 15 and let's say 3, right? Hit say we got 15 and 3 after 9, right? Third index was 9, right? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, okay, got it, got it. Not like this. 0, it has become 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, and 20, right? It's fine, I guess. 0, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, it's fine, it's fine. It's working fine. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, and 3 from third. It's taking 10 and 20, right? We have replaced 10 and 20 to 15 and 3. Cool. So this is how we work with splice method, right? It's kind of important and it's kind of complex. Not that complex, but just practice it down, you'll get used to it, right? So yeah, guys, that's for today's video. That's it, right? So yeah, see you in the next upcoming videos. See you in the next upcoming videos. Yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next upcoming videos. Peace out.